Hello students, this is Aprajita Bhattacharya and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Tech Diaries. Okay? This channel is all about promoting education to everyone during this pandemic time so that we are not lagging behind in the field of education. So our channel mostly provides information about and teachings about the computer science and science chapter. Okay, so let us now start our new chapter, chapter 4, Adaptations in Animals. Let us begin. Today we are going to study about adaptations in animals. Before starting this chapter, I would like to focus on and divert your attention to something. What is adaptation? And why do animals and living beings, they are prior for adapting things, prior for adapting themselves to the environment and climate? Okay, I'm sure you all have heard about the dinosaurs. Okay, let me take you to a short historical trip now. Dinosaurs are very prehistoric animals. Okay, now there were dinosaurs all over the earth. They were on land, they were on water, they were in the sky, but suddenly all of them were extinct. What was the reason behind this? Okay. There are many facts and figures that shows us the extinction of dinosaurs. But one of the major of them is that there was an asteroid which hit the Earth's surface, and after that, the temperature of Earth went down. It was so cold during that period. Okay. And during that period, due to the downfall of temperature, which was really very extreme downfall, the dinosaurs couldn't adapt to the climatic change, sudden climatic change on Earth. The result of this was that they became extinct. Today, we only hear about dinosaurs. Okay? We cannot see them because they are no more. This led to change the animal, make change in themselves in order to survive according to their environment, their food, the place where they live, the surviving conditions, etc. Now the survival has become the major thing, and today we are going to study about some survival or adaptations that animals have made in themselves in order to live, in order to survive on this earth. Okay, so first of all, we will know what is habitat. All the animals are originated or they have a certain place to live, which is known as the natural home of the animals. Okay, so we can term habitat as natural home of an animal or bird. The natural home of animal or a bird is called its habitat because there are many factors that decide the place where the animal and bird are surviving now. It is not just the climate, it may be food conditions, it may be weather conditions, it may be climatic conditions, it may be reproduction conditions. There are so many things that determine it. Okay, so um, habitat is the natural home of an animal or bird. After this, we will study about the types of animal that we can find around us. Okay, what are the type of animals? What are they, and how they are different from one another? Let us now see. The first type of animal that we come across are terrestrial animals. Now, What does terrestrial mean? Terrestrial means on land. Okay, the word terrestrial means on land. So by this we come across the definition that the animals that live on land are called the terrestrial animals. The animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Now there are so many examples of terrestrial animals that we can see around us. For example, tiger, cow, buffalo, horse, elephant, giraffe. The wild and the pet animal or domestic animal that live on land are called the terrestrial animals. Okay. After this are the animals that do not live on land. Sorry. They live in the water. And those animals that live inside the water are called aquatic animals. Okay. The animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Okay, the animals that live in water are called aquatic animals. Now, what may be the example of aquatic animals? Fishes, shark, whales, they all are aquatic animals. Okay. Besides these, there are also some other animals that are present on earth. So today we will discuss about those animals also. The third animal is arboreal animal. What are arboreal animals? Some animals do not prefer to live on land, nor they prefer to live on live in water. They prefer mostly to live on trees. Yes, they prefer mostly to live on trees. And the animal that spend most of their lifetime on the trees are called the arboreal animal. I will write down the definition for you. The animals that mostly live on trees are called arboreal animals. Okay. The examples of arboreal animals are monkeys, langurs, koalas, okay, sloths. They are all arboreal animals. Some kind of rodents are also arboreal. The next type of animal that we come across, aerial animals. Aerial means the animals that live particularly in this or in the on the air. Okay, They are primarily flying in the air. Animals that can fly. Animals that can fly are called aerial animals. The best examples are birds. Birds, bats, they are the aerial animals. Okay. Now we have a last type of animal. Let me show you what are they. Some animals live on land. Some animals live inside water. Some don't prefer to live both on air nor in the water. But there are some animals which prefer to live in both on land and in water. Those animals are called amphibians. Okay, amphibians. Animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. What are the example of amphibians? Frogs, crocodiles, some kind of snakes too, etc. They are amphibians. They live both on land and in water. So these are the types of animals that we can find on earth. Their living area, their survival techniques, they all are different from each other. And on the basis of their survival, on the basis of their place of living, the food they are getting, the adaptations also differ from each other. They are totally different from one another. Okay, so today we have learned about different types of animals and where are the where do they live. Now in our next class we are going to find out about their adaptations, how they adapted to their surroundings, how well they are doing in their day-to-day life to survive. Okay, I hope you all have understood your classes. You all have understood what we have learned here. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. Please do watching. Please like and subscribe. Keep watching the videos. Keep educating people. Thank you.